Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Sudama Lab. And today we're diving into something most tech channels are completely missing. Everyone is talking about AI, Copilot, and flashy features in Windows 11. But what if I told you the real improvements in the latest Windows 11 25 is to release preview actually hidden? And you know what? The features in release preview channel today will be publicly released after 1 or 2 weeks. These are the small upgrades that actually make your PC faster, smarter, and more powerful in daily use. And trust me, some of these are game changer. Let's start with something huge for power users. Windows 11 now slowly integrating Sysmon directly into system. Previously, that was a part of Sys internals, something you had to install manually. But now, it's becoming native. What does that mean for you? Your system can now track process activity, network connections, file changes, in a way more detailed than the standard event viewer. This is especially powerful if you care about your privacy, want to monitor background apps, or just love deeper system insights. Basically, Windows is becoming more transparent than ever. Next, a super underrated but insanely useful feature. You can now run network speed tests directly from the taskbar. No browser, no website, no ads. Just right click on the network icon and select Perform Speed Test. And boom, you can quickly check your internet speed by clicking on Start. This is perfect if you work remotely, game online, troubleshoot slow Wi-Fi. It's small, but saves you time every single day. Now here is something that should have been here years ago. Windows 11 finally supports WebP images as wallpaper natively. Before this, you had to convert files or use third-party apps. Now, just right-click on any WebP images, set as background. Since most images online today are WebP, this removes a huge friction point. If you've ever installed Windows, you've probably seen the annoying issue. Windows automatically shortens your username, like Sudama becomes Sudam, but now Microsoft is fixing that. During the setup, you can manually choose your user folder name. This is especially useful for developers, content creators, organized file systems. No more weird folder names. This one is actually kinda cool. Now you can use voice typing while renaming files. Just select a file and press F2 and then hit Win key plus H and speak the name. If you use a headset or mic regularly, this makes file organization insanely fast. Now for laptop users, especially in the US, UK, and Canada where most remote work is huge. Windows 11 now improves USB 4 monitor power efficiency. External monitors can enter the lowest power state when your PC sleeps. Before monitor stayed semi-active, battery drained overnight, and now, better sleep, better battery life. Here are some quick hidden features you should know. New emoji 16.0 is there. Pen button can now act like a Copilot key. Smart Web Control is easier to toggle. File Explorer now supports more archive formats. Small tricks, big impact. While everyone is distracted by AI headlines, these are the real features making Windows 11 better. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more deep dive Windows updates, hidden features, and performance tips, make sure to subscribe to Tech Sudama Lab, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.